So we are going to use this circuit diagram to do our connection. So the connection on contactor self-holding, using stop and start push buttons. So let's go ahead. Then I'm already done with my connection. So we are going to use this circuit diagram to follow how I do my connection. So you see, live, it enter terminal number 1 of the stop push button. Then from stop push button, from terminal number 2, it enters 3 of the start push button. So from 3, it enters 13 of the normally open of a contactor. So from 3 of the start push button, it goes to the 4. Then from 4 to the 14 of the normally open of the contactor. So from 4, it goes to the A1 of the contactor. Then you supply neutral to the A2. This one is the contactor coil. So let me show you. You see, so from live, when it comes, it enter the terminal number 1 of the start push button. So this is my live cable. So you see, it enters terminal number 1, which is the normally close of the stop push button. Then from then it moves. So from terminal number 1, you put a cable to terminal number 2 and then supply it to terminal number 3. So from terminal number 3, you supply a cable from terminal number 3 to the 13 of the normally open of the contactor. So here is the 13 normally open of the contactor. From 3, it goes to the 13. So then from 3, the 2 cables from 4, and other one from 4, one will go to the 14 of the normally open of the contactor. So when you see, so here is the black cable, from 4, then it comes to the normally open of the contactor, which is the 14. You see, this is the 14 normally open of the contactor. So from the same 4, the cable will go to the contactor coil, which is the A1. So when you come here, you see from 4 to the A1. You see, here is the terminal number A1. You see, terminal number A1 of the contactor. Then you supply a neutral cable to the A1 of the contactor. So here is the neutral cable. I use red. Here is the neutral cable, and then here is the A2. Here is the A2 of the contactor. You see the A2 of the contactor. These two terminals, this one and then this one, they are the main coil of the contactor. So I believe you have seen how I do my connection. I use this circuit diagram to achieve that. So we are going to supply the power for the contactor. Then we see what we are going to do. So here is my neutral, and then here is my live. So here is my live. So let's test and see if our circuit is going to work or not. So this is the start push button. So let me press it and see if whether it is going to work or not. So you see, immediately you press on the start push button, you will see that the contactor will hold itself automatically unless you press the stop. This is the stop. Unless you press the stop before it release itself. So if you press on the start push button, the contactor will hold itself automatically. So immediately you press on the start push button, it will release itself. So you can use this simple circuit diagram to build your direct online starter. You can use this principle to build your direct online starter. I will do that later. I'm Engineer Dukun. I still remain my humble self. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, and then leave a comment. Thank you.